Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your cart on Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kroger.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kroger website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken back into the homepage, you can shop for various different items based on your desire. Now, once you find any item that you would like to purchase, you can just click on the add to cart option and then choose the amount in order to add it to your cart. You can do this with as many number of items that you wish. And once you are done with your shopping, you can just click on your cart icon at the top right corner, which will take you into your shopping cart. From here, you can either set up a pickup or a delivery service. If you choose delivery, you can enter your address and then click on the save and continue option. Finally, you can choose your store if you wish to do a pickup. After proceeding forward with your information and your payment verification, your items will be purchased and it will be delivered to you if you have chosen the delivery option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add items to your cart on Kroger. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.